That is why paddy requires more and more water for growing. Okay. Yes. That is why usually it is grown in areas which have plenty of water, which have more water availability.
Cultivation of paddy. In this cultivation, irrigation is an activity. Irrigation has different methods. Different types of or different methods of irrigation practices are there. For example, furrow method, furrow irrigation, basin irrigation method. Here, example for the basin irrigation is paddy. In basin irrigation, we have to supply more water. In basin irrigation, we have to supply more water. Okay. Yes, paddy requires more water because it is an aquatic plant. It is an aquatic plant. Next, that is why usually paddy is grown in areas which have plenty of water, which have more available water. In those areas, usually paddy is grown. Okay, and paddy crop has to be grown only in more water available area. Only in more water available area, like coastal region, coastal line. But because of good marketing facilities, and good supporting price, farmers are growing the paddy throughout the India, throughout the country India. Okay, why means good marketing facilities. We can sell the paddy. We can sell the paddy anytime because good marketing facilities are there. Each and everybody needs paddy. That is why we can sell easily paddy. Next, good supporting price. Supporting price, good supporting price. You know, paddy is the stable food material for each and every person. Most of the Indians eat the rice. That is why they, listen carefully, that is why Indian people present in India, they purchase the paddy. They purchase the paddy with high price. Understanding? This is very important one. Next, to grow the paddy in areas with low water availability. To grow the paddy in areas with low water availability, like some dry area, Anantapur, Kadapa, okay, like this type of dry area. Farmers dig the borewells and use the groundwater more and more to supply the water to growing paddy. In such conditions, what will happen? Because of this groundwater, because of this type of activity, groundwater levels are decreased. Groundwater levels are decreased. Okay, yes. Because of those activities, groundwater levels are decreased. That is why this type of crop means paddy crop or paddy are more water required crop. That is why paddy has to sit. Paddy has to shift to those crops which require less water, which require less water, like cotton or any other dry crop, bajra, like this crop. Okay, yes. Then paddy has to shift to those crops which require less water, like cotton, bajra, ragi, like this crop, green gram, this type of one. Now, in some area, farmers are growing the fishes in paddy field. In some areas, farmers grow the fishes in paddy field. In paddy field. This is also a beneficial activity. This is also a beneficial activity. Mixed agriculture system idi. Okay, mixed agriculture system. Very, very important one it is also. Okay, here all crops are provided. Observe carefully here. Are all crops provided with equal amount of water? No. Are all crops provided with equal amount of water? No. For example, take paddy and bajra. Bajra crop does not require more water. It requires less amount of water. But paddy requires more and more water when compared to bajra. Okay, means here all crops are not provided with equal amount of water. Some crops require more amount of water. Some crops require less amount of water. Okay, yes. Next, summer crops, they require more water. During the summer time, we have to supply the more water to crop plants. Why? What is the reason? There is a common reason. Okay, yes, observe. All crops are not provided with equal amount of water. All crops are not provided with equal amount of water. Yes. Equal amount of water. For example, paddy requires more water. Paddy, sugarcane. They require more water. Next, bajra requires less water. Bajra requires less water. Understanding? Yes. Next, farmers have to supply more water. Farmers have to supply more water to summer crop. Why? Why? You know, during the summer season, during the summer season, temperature is very high. Temperature is very high due to hot climate. Due to hot climate, more water is evaporated. More water is evaporated from the soil and more water is transpirated more water is transpirated. Observe carefully. More water is transpirated from the plant. May high amount of water is lost from the soil and plant. High amount of water is lost from the high amount of water is lost from the soil and plant. That is why we have to supply more water to summer crops. Hence, that is why farmers supply more water. Supply more water to crops growing in summer. Growing in summer. Yes, observe one. Observe, paddy has to shift to those crops which require less water in the areas which have less available water or less water availability. Next, in some areas, farmers grow the fishes in paddy fields. Farmers grow the fishes in paddy fields. This is a beneficial activity. This type of agriculture is called mixed agriculture. Okay. Next, all crops are not provided with equal amount of water. All crops are not provided with equal amount of water. For example, paddy, sugarcane, they require more water. Bajra, next green gram, next cotton, they require less water. They require less water. Okay, next, farmers have to supply more water to summer crops. You know, summer crops are crops growing in summer. Okay, to those crops, farmers have to supply more water. Why? What is the reason? During the summer season, temperature is very high. Due to hot climate, more water is evaporated from the soil. More water is evaporated from the soil. And more water is transpirated from plants. More water is transpirated from the plant. Okay. Here high amount of water is lost from the soil and plants. That is why farmers supply more and more water to crops growing in summer season. Yeah, this is about the observance.